Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can make your Character.Ai uh, theme light mode. Okay, you can see here it's now a dark mode, so I wanna make it light mode. So how can you make this? And then you need to go your profile page. Okay, once you click on the profile, bottom part of your screen, so click on the profile. When you click on the profile, then you will see your profile page. Then here you will see the option settings, so simply click on the settings, and then you'll get the two options here, dark mode and light mode. This two one. So by default my phone is now like, sorry, so you need to go click here light mode. So when you click light mode, then your Character.Ai uh, app will be in light version, and after that click change. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching the video.